Hi everyone, welcome to Master Paint YouTube channel. If you are interested in painting, there are many things for you to learn here. So subscribe now and hit the notification bell to get notified of my next videos. You will also receive content in a specific playlist on this channel. For example, this video is included in the playlist of understanding forms, and you will receive many videos in this field in the future. A painting is shaped based on forms, and a painter displays a three-dimensional form using colors, light and shadow. For this reason, in my opinion, the first step in painting is drawing and understanding of forms, and the next step is understanding colors, and finally the third stage in painting involves understanding various textures. Therefore, in the first stage, precise drawing of shapes is important. Try to draw the shapes with broken lines. This allows you to analyze the overall shape and final form better. Pay attention to the proportion and direction of the lines for better implementation. In the coloring stage, the brush's movement should also represent the form. This requires three-dimensional visualization in our minds. In fact, the movement of the brush should be in a way that creates a three-dimensional sense of shapes on the canvas. This is achievable through the use of perspective, light shading, and color movement. Therefore, a successful painter not only masters colors, but also uses concepts of shape, form, color, and texture to accurately convey a three-dimensional image to us. For example, in this painting, in the initial drawing stage, the round form and the bright and dark parts should be separated from each other. In the second stage, using our knowledge of colors, we start with cadmium yellow and move towards orange, and then goes towards cadmium red, and ultimately shows the range of dark areas or shadows with rose and Indian red. Note that these colors and their movements will be meaningful with the movement of the brush in the direction of the form. One of the most important visual elements for better representation of forms is creating contrast in each section. For example, to show the difference between areas, we use a dark and light contrast or pure and neutral contrast. We also consider the background color and neutral and slightly cool for better shape display. The falling shadows are also displayed with a dark and light contrast. And finally, the highlights in the bright section are displayed with complementary contrast. The combination of white and blue, which complement each other and show high contrast, is suitable for highlighting. At the end, let's examine the movement of colors from light to dark. As you can see, the movement goes from yellow to orange to red, and finally to Indian red, which represent the dark side. Well, our painting is almost finished, and I hope this video will help you in painting. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of my next videos. Good luck!